Well, hello viewers, and a happy new year to you all. I hope you all had a chance to have some time off over Christmas, and I hope you were lucky enough to get a new toy from Santa. First off, I want to apologise for not producing a video since July. Unfortunately, I've just been a bit too busy to do any video editing for the second half of last year, but I finally finished my degree this year, so from May onwards I should have a bit more time for Airsoft and YouTube. Now, due to torrential rain causing terrible visibility, this video isn't so much about the gameplay as much as it is about me experimenting with camouflage. Now, I can't be doing with all this ghillie suit crafting, but I wanted to do something to make myself less obvious than other airsofters. And so another Airsoft on a budget project was born. All of the extra camouflage you see here is made up of scrim netting from Temu. I didn't buy it all at the same time, so the cost was roughly between £2 and £4 a net. So far I have bought 3.
Where are they? Or is everybody just hiding from the rain?
The first net I used on my rifle here, cutting a few custom pieces for the stock and the scope, and the rest being wrapped around the front end of the rifle. I soon realised that was far too much material, so I cut off some excess and used that to make a crude helmet cover and mask beard, which I think looks kind of cool, but it did add to my condensation problems.
Hit! I think. Might have been rain, not sure. Oh, there is somebody out there then.
By this time I was so full of water and condensation I couldn't really see much, so I just did my best to keep up with the rest of the team in the hopes that some movement would clear my goggles. I'm sure by now you've noticed a lack of scope cam footage. Unfortunately, it just didn't want to work in this weather. I'll show you what I did manage to capture towards the end of this video. The other 2 nets I stitched together to create a poncho. This has left me looking a bit like a rebel soldier from the Battle of Endor crossed with a helldiver, if you see what I mean. I do think the poncho does break up my body shape a little bit though, and the Jungle Ruins camouflage pattern is just that little bit different from the normal MTP everybody wears.
Yeah, it's a bit like that, isn't it?
Yeah. I don't see any of them either.
No, the only time I ever see them is when they're walking away.
Exactly.
I think my next step ought to be get another net to create a hood to cover over the helmet and break up that outline as well. So that's enough about costume, let's move into some scope cam shots. This is where I'd like you to get involved. I haven't included any hit markers on any of these clips, and I would like you to decide if I actually made a kill. Please post your answers in the comments and give my video a like for good measure.
How long left?
I definitely hit something with these 2 shots, I'm just not quite sure what.
Both of you! Sorry.
This one's an obvious hit, I just thought it was a bit funny. Well, that's all for this time. You'll be glad to know that the afternoon did brighten up significantly, and I cracked out my AEG for a bit of assault rifle action. That will be my next video. See you next time.